Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about the Summer Olympics that were supposed to happen in 2020 but got canceled because of COVID. The essential question that you should be able to answer by the end of the week is what should we do about the Olympics? Should we host them? Should we make certain rules about them? Should we cancel them? In class, we went over some expectations. We're going to skip that because you guys are distance learning. And then I introduced the current event. We worked on those two purple slides, identifying personal bias and the background. Just a reminder that the current event report from last week is due today, and the current event report that's assigned this week will be due a week from today, Monday the 8th. And you guys have 31 more days until spring break or the end of the term. Okay, this is all for kids who, okay. So the 2020 Summer Olympics was supposed to take place last summer, but it got canceled because of COVID, so it's being rescheduled to this summer. And it's supposed to happen in Tokyo like it was in 2020, but some people think that it should be canceled again because we still are dealing with COVID. Some people think that vaccines should be required for the athletes in order to participate. And some people believe that it should just be the athletes who go and they shouldn't allow people to show up and watch the Olympics at all. So there's a lot of different opinions about this current event. What you're going to do if you haven't already for your attendance for the day is you're just going to take this quick survey that looks like this just to kind of think about how you might feel about the current event. So this one says, I think it was fair to cancel the Olympics last year. I think it would be unsafe to host the Olympics. And you would just go ahead and identify if you agree or disagree with those statements. No right or wrong answer. This is just to take attendance and to see where you might fall for your potential bias. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up this current event report. Looks something like this. We're working on these two purple slides. All right, so right here, you're going to go ahead and think about the potential bias you might have, whether you're someone who thinks it was fair or unfair to cancel the Olympics last year, just using the information from that Google form or the attendance question to help you identify your potential bias. All right, then you're going to go ahead and use this video to complete questions 1 through 6, similar with the podcast, except this is a really short video, but they give a lot of information all at once, and sometimes it's easy to miss that information because they're going over it so quick. So I went ahead and I just identified the times that you would find those answers, so that way if you need to go back and review to find it, you know exactly where you need to go. So for example, question 1, how often do the Olympics take place? You would find that at around 10 seconds in. And then number 6 is a level 2 question, which means that you're going to be taking what's presented in the video from through 26 to the end in order to create an answer. And that's all that you're doing for the day. Remember, midterms are coming up. They are due at the end of the day today, I believe. So if you have any missing work in this class or other classes, go ahead and take any extra time to get that all completed and turned in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you later.